rubbing alcohol. I don't care what nobody say. Rubbing alcohol. I don't know who had it, where it's been. Who sneezed on this bitch? They said it was an Amazon delivery driver that was straight up unintentionally spitting on packages. Not tea. So I've been spraying everything coming in my house. All my mail. Get sprayed with alcohol. Hey cousin, hey Toya. This is something I really wanted, you guys. I wish they would have promoted it more because it's dope as hell. To me, it's from our generation, Tina and Toya. Hey Noni. Right now I got the phone sitting on the ground. I'm opening my package. Okay. Y'all see that? See, they haven't been promoting this, and I'm so mad that they didn't. But Salt and Pepper did a collab with Milani makeup. So they did a collab with Milani makeup. All of this shit, I'm putting this shit in the trash. This shit right here. I don't need all this shit in my house. This all I need out of here is this box and that card. This shit could go in the trash. I ain't supposed to go through all of that. That's all that's in there. Trash. I'm spraying this bitch. This is rubbing alcohol. Before it walk in my house, it will be disinfected. Uh-oh, I'm dropping my stuff out. Okay. Okay. Yo, I'm excited. My kids got me this. Y'all, I'm finna show y'all. Wait, let me spray everything. Y'all, I'll be right back. Wait, matter of fact, hold on. This ain't coming in my house. Is anything good? I'll bring that in. I sprayed that. This box not coming in my house. That will go straight to the trash. But I've been spraying my packages. Oh, shit. With alcohol. Before I bring them in my house. Ooh, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, y'all. Hold on. So we planned. I wasn't even going to open it and use it. But I have to. You sent the package. What you talking about? All this shit got sprayed. Hold on. I don't want it to. I'm going to put it on my tray. Hold on, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all real quick. And I'm gonna open it today in group. So y'all be able to see the whole package. So this is, I'm so excited. This is the Salt and Pepper collaboration with Milani. Salt and Pepper collab with the makeup company Milani. And they did 2 lip kits. Oh my God, I'm so excited. They did 2 lip kits and 2 eyeshadow palettes. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope this nude is a good nude. I've been looking for me a good nude. So y'all, we playing in some goodies today. I am excited. It's wet from the alcohol, but that's all right. I know it's clean. So we playing in this today. In about an hour, I'm supposed to go on live. And I wasn't going to really do makeup, but since I got this, we doing a little makeup today. I'm super excited. Everybody, hey Jackie. Yeah, it's 2 palettes and it's 2 lip kits. This is, like one is, how did it did it? Like one is Salt's palette and one is Pepper palette. Oh, this is Pepper's palette. Wait, let me look. Because they both chose colors in their palette that coincide with their personalities. That's how they tried to do it. So I think this is Pepper palette. Very pretty. That's a highlighter in the middle. You got a big mirror. I love it. I'm not going to use it that much. This is Salt's palette. We're going to swatch it today, y'all. That's Salt's palette. And this is Salt's lip kit. It comes with a lipstick and a lip liner. And this is Pepper's lip kit. You know, Pepper always wore her red. It comes with a lip liner and a red lipstick. So I am excited. So we're going to have fun today. This is going to be exciting to me. It's definitely going to be exciting to me. And this is the box and stuff. Let me see. I'm keeping this box because this is a collectible. What I'm frustrated about the whole idea was they did not promote this the way they should have. I feel like if they would have promoted this right, this should have sold the hell out. It's Salt and Pepper. This is my era. This is my music. And they did not promote them. Like, I accidentally found out about this. They did not promote this right. And I really wish they would have, because it's so dope. For somebody like me, this palette is called Hot, Cool, and Vicious. The red lipstick is called Push It. The nude lipstick is called Shoop. And the other palette is called Very Necessary. I love. And I wanted this for my birthday, and it came today. So we gonna play with this today, y'all. I'm super excited. I'm gonna play with it today, but more than likely, I'm gonna put it up after we play with it. Because it's a collectible. This is a collectible. I love it. All right, y'all. Give me yeah, they didn't promote it. They didn't promote it the way they should. Pink is popping. So, y'all, thank you guys. 80s Jam. You said you sent the package. I don't know what you're talking about, Latoya. Did I send a package? All right, y'all. About an hour. What time is it? We'll say 4 o'clock. I'm going live. So if y'all gonna come and play, come on, let's play. Let's play in makeup, and let's play in our new Salt and Pepper collection with Milani. I'm super excited to play with it. I want to see what this nude is like. It look a little dark. So we're going to see what this is about. It's look a little dark. But it might be perfect for melanin. Thank you so much, Toya. Love you too. So give you how much time? An hour, Tina. An hour, and I'll be on the makeup group. You'll get the invite, Tina. You'll get the notification when I go live. And we're going to swatch everything, and we're going to swatch the lip kits, and then I'm going to do a look with it. We're going to play, and y'all going to help me pick what we going to do? Y'all help me pick what colors we going to play with. We might do a couple of eyes. We might do an eye look and then take it off and do something else, because I'm super excited. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Give me about an hour. Let me finish getting everything together, and we finna play. We going to play it with the Salt and Pepper collaboration with Milani. I am so excited. I wanted this so bad. It got all the names. All the names of the colors are from Salt and Pepper song. They're all Salt and Pepper songs. What a Man. All of the colors eyeshadows each color is one of Salt-N-Pepa's songs. So this is what we playing with today. I'm super excited, y'all. The Milani times Salt-N-Pepa. I'm so excited. I love it. Designed by the first ladies of hip hop. Yes. I'm excited. All right, I'll see y'all in about an hour. 4 o'clock, you guys. 4 o'clock Pacific time. I'm going to go live. Y'all, most of you guys will get notification. This is the card they send you. I got the entire collection. And they got prices for them individual. The lip kits each are I'll show you guys all of this stuff when we go live. That'll be more information for me to get y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. Stay safe. And always, always, always do your best to be your best. It's all that God requires. Love you too, cousin. I'll see y'all in a minute.